Hello guys, welcome back to another video of IMVU. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide your online status of IMVU mobile. Please like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. First of all, please tap on your profile icon, then click on edit. After clicking on edit, click on online status. After clicking on online status, you can save your settings. This is how you can hide your online status in IMVU. Now no one can see your online status. Please like and subscribe, and bye.